This piece is called the Sound Carriers. Worshippers arise, go forward, bringing the sound and light, dripping healing from the heavens with every note sung. Forerunning, lovesick, fully abandoned ones, releasing his heart through the melodies. Instruments uniting, bringing the angelic worship surrounding the throne. Worshippers who know how to use praise in battle. Let your warriors cry out, sounding the alarm, preparing the way for the King's return. Clouds of glory filling the place of meeting. Enwrapped in the heaviness of his presence that lifts us from the altar and deeper still into the chambers. Worshippers, hands anointed to send out arrows into the enemy's camp. Sound carrying, glory filled, presence releasing, healing imparting, lovers reflecting him. Waiting in the stillness for the voice of their beloved. Lyrical storytellers expressing his thoughts through heaven's song. Each rhythm, beat, strum, and melody painting the colorful notes of his heart. The worshippers are here. They know and follow the sound of the bridegroom. They are ready to lead the procession into the greatest awakening to date, the full revealing of the King.